after you've gotten your login details for the CMS, you then go on to the website cms.jc-display.com so that you can be able to log in. You input your username and password, and then you sign in. So initially, once you've signed in, this would be the platform. This would be the welcome page. So I'll just go through the different details which are there. So on the home page, you have the device network info. So on this part, you'll be able to see the number of devices which are online, which are offline, or which are active, and also like the percentage of this. You'll also be able to see the amount of adverts that are being run. If there's anything that is to be played or to be audited and approved for advertisement, then you can be able to see here. You can also pause adverts as well from here. The first two parts, you can also add a device here. So if you click on add device, you will then be able to put the device ID on the display. The device name, you can add like a couple of the other information that you can add, and then you can save on here. Also, you can create an advert directly from this part as well. So you can then select the adverts, the time to be released, and also other options, and then submit for review before it can be approved for advertisement. Also have the warning center. So let's say if there are adverts that are expiring, if you set a certain time limit on them, you'd be able to see the details here. And if there are devices, let's say, that have been offline for maybe more than 15 days or so, you'd be able to see them here that they haven't been active for this specific time. So you need to look into the device to find out what the issue could be. And then on this part, you'll be able to see the amount of storage that you have left, or what you've used up. So that you can be able to add more like points or storage for releasing in the future. On the top part, you also have the option to add device, which is similar to here at the bottom. You also have add advertisement, which is similar to this point. You also have the review advertisement. Let's say before the adverts are published, you'll be able to do so. Coming down, you also have like the adverts, so you can manage the adverts, you can manage the audited information. You can also have the material of what needs to be uploaded to the devices. On this part, you'll be able to also see the device management. So this is how to manage the device. You'd be able to see, let's say if you click on device management, you'd be able to see the devices which are there, and you can have operations that you can do on this side. You also have tag management, so you can create specific tags so as to remember what device is which device, and where it's specifically located. So you can change these devices here. So you can also like remove the tag or add the tag. It all depends on your side. You also have the layout, so you can add a custom layout. Like let's say if it's not a standard layout, or maybe if you have a specific layout that you need to do, you can customize here and put it on this point. You also have the device group management. So here you can create a specific group. Let's say if there are 5 devices in different locations, or if they're in the same building but you want to have them receive the same content all the time, you can create a group where you then be able to so you can select the device group or device name, like if they have 2 screens or single screen, then the layout, if there's a specific layout that you need to always use, you can then select them here, and then you can add them to the specific part, so that every time you can just be able to post the content to that specific group. You can also generate reports on this part, so you'd be able to see the amount of information that's been published, how long it's been running, all these type of details you'd be able to see. And you can also select like if there are multiple promotion plans, you can select a specific one and the dates, and then inquire on this, and you can see like the type of adverts that have been run, how many times they've run, the file names, and all this type of information. You'd be able to do so. And you can also have the option to share this report, and then you can scan it and then download it. So this would be like to share to other individuals. Also on reports, you can also see the device statistics. So you can see the number of adverts, how long they've been, like how long it's been online, the display duration, the impressions of what's been advertised. You'd be able to see this information. You can also be able to see the operation log. So let's say all the different details, like what was done, you'd be able to see information. Select the time frame and then do the inquiry on this part. You can also have the schedule management. So let's say, so yeah, you'll see the schedule of the devices. And then on enterprise, you'd be able to see the login details, the names. So you'll see. So once you're back at the home screen, you can also choose to sign out, to change language. This would be the basic operation for CMS.